Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with another video. So I'll be making a Lippan wall hanging with cardboard. So without wasting time, let's get started. For that you will take some pieces of cardboard and you can mark the center for it. After marking, you can take the clay and mix both the compounds and then do as I shown in the video. It is simple but it is little hard when the clay is too soft. So after that you can mix. I have made 3 of them. You can see the design, and if you want the similar one you can do it as it is. Now I'm painting all the cardboard pieces. First one I'm painting with blue color. I've mixed a little bit of white as well. For the next one, pink color. You'll have to paint it nicely. After that, last one is yellow. I've mixed a little bit of white in it. Now we'll start sticking the mirrors, the best part of it. You can choose randomly any mirrors you have. I've chosen here circle ones. I have in different sizes. And then these leaf. Then again the smallest circles. Similarly, you can stick them all. And one part of the wall hanging is ready. For the second one, we're going to do the same thing. Here I have chosen some 4-faced mirrors. Kite one. The small circle ones. Glue them nicely so that they don't fall off, and don't even apply too much of glue so they will fall. Next is the yellow one. You can also take the help of the toothpick to stick the mirrors. It's very easy to make this. And in the corners I'm applying the leaf shape, and similarly some round shapes as well. Once the mirror work is done, you can take some white paint and just put some dots shown in the video. You can also paint whatever you want. Here I am just painting some dots and leaf to enhance the look. After all the 3 are done, you can see how beautiful they look. Now you can take some jute thread or jute rope and measure the size of your wall hanging and just cut it as shown in the video. And now with the help of hot glue, you will have to stick it one by one, and be careful while using hot glue. You might burn your hand. After this, you can cut the edges and stick them as shown. And yeah, your wall hanging is ready now. It looks pretty expensive,